The 2025 Mahindra Marazzo continues its legacy as one of India's most practical and family-friendly MPVs, now with refreshed styling, enhanced features, and improved efficiency. Mahindra has taken a thoughtful approach to updating the Marazzo, maintaining its core strengths of space, comfort, and ride quality while refining its appeal for the modern buyer. On the exterior, the 2025 Marazzo features subtle design tweaks that lend it a more premium and contemporary look. The signature front grille has been slightly reworked with new chrome elements, and the headlights now feature integrated LED DRLS, giving it a sharper presence on the road. The front and rear bumpers have also been revised, with more sculpted contours and improved aerodynamics. New dual-tone alloy wheels and updated color options add to the visual freshness, making the MPV stand out while remaining elegant and understated. Step inside, and the cabin of the Do Safar Do Panch Marazzo impresses with its spaciousness and comfort. The MPV continues to offer both 7 and 8-seater configurations, making it ideal for large families and group travelers. The seats are well cushioned, and the cabin uses premium upholstery and soft touch materials in key areas to enhance the feel of quality. The dashboard design remains largely familiar but has been updated with a larger touchscreen infotainment system that now supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The instrument cluster is partly digital, offering improved readability and a more modern vibe. One of the standout features of the Do Safar Do Panch Marazzo is its segment-leading cabin cooling, thanks to the roof-mounted AC vents that distribute air evenly across all rows. This remains a big plus, especially for Indian summers and long highway journeys. The second row captain seats in the 7-seater variant offer a lounge-like experience, and the third row is surprisingly usable, with enough legroom and headroom for adult passengers over short distances. Under the hood, the Marazzo retains its 1.5-litre diesel engine, now updated to comply with BS6 Phase 2 emission norms. The engine delivers a smooth 121 bhp and 300 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. Though there's still no automatic option, Mahindra has fine-tuned the drivetrain for better fuel efficiency and reduced NVH levels, which should please long-distance drivers and daily commuters alike. Ride quality continues to be a strong suit, with the Marazzo's body on frame construction absorbing road imperfections with ease and offering a planted, confident feel at higher speeds. In terms of safety, the 2025 Marazzo maintains its strong 4-star global NCAP rating. It comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard. Higher variants also offer rear parking cameras, cornering lamps, and a tire pressure monitoring system, ensuring peace of mind for safety-conscious buyers. Overall, the 2025 Mahindra Marazzo stays true to its identity as a practical, reliable, and comfortable MPV, now with a touch of sophistication and modernity. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of newer rivals or the convenience of an automatic, it remains a strong contender for those prioritizing space, safety, and value. For families and fleet operators alike, the Marazzo continues to offer a compelling package in a segment where functionality is key.